Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Fresh Mouthwash. First, measure out 20 milliliters of the mouthwash into a clean cup. Next, pour the liquid into your mouth and swish it around vigorously. Make sure to cover all areas of your mouth, including your teeth and gums. Continue this swishing action for 30 to 60 seconds to ensure maximum effectiveness before spitting it out completely. For optimal oral hygiene, it's recommended to use Max Fresh Mouthwash twice daily. Integrate it seamlessly into your routine, ideally after you've finished brushing and flossing your teeth in both the morning and evening. This timing allows the active ingredients to work effectively. Remember, avoid rinsing your mouth with water immediately afterward, as this can dilute the mouthwash's benefits. Max Fresh Mouthwash offers a powerful burst of freshness, helping to eliminate millions of bad breath germs. Its unique formula incorporates cooling crystal technology, which provides an invigorating sensation and leaves your breath feeling fresh for several hours. This advanced ingredient blend works to neutralize odors, giving you confidence throughout your day with a clean and cool mouthfeel. It's crucial to remember that Max Fresh Mouthwash is for rinsing only, never swallow it. Always keep the bottle safely out of reach of young children to prevent accidental ingestion. If you experience any persistent irritation or discomfort after using the product, please consult your dentist promptly. Store your mouthwash at room temperature, away from direct sunlight, for optimal product integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.